Android Oreo for the Mi A1. Recently we did a video about that. While we were happy that Xiaomi did roll it out in time on 31st of December, the last day of the year, they still managed to keep their promise, but there were some bugs that came with the update. While the comment section was a mixed bag of people saying they had the same bugs while others said that they didn't face any problems, Xiaomi however realized that there were a few issues after all and they pulled the update. Fast forward to now, Xiaomi has sent out a new stable Oreo update which is supposed to be bug-free. Is it bug-free? Let's talk about that in a bit. Hey guys, Sundar here from C4E Tech, and by the way, before we jump into this video, we have a giveaway running for all of you guys. Here's a card to that video. I'll also leave a link to it in the description below. Do check it out if you haven't yet. And while you're down there, toss us a like if you like our content, get subscribed and click on that bell icon to become part of our notification squad. Given the last update, I know many of you guys want to get this update as fast as possible. Well, here is one neat little trick to force the update to come to you quicker. Just go on to Google Services Framework, clear your data, disable and force stop the app. Enable it, then reboot your phone, and once it boots back up, smash that check for updates button. If you're lucky, you should probably have the update notification pop up. Anyway, coming back to the ROM itself, well, I know many of you guys are wondering if Xiaomi added any new features with this update. Well, this was primarily a bug fix patch more than a major update, so this one didn't add any new features. The standard Oreo features though are all present and accounted for. I'll leave a card to the video where we checked all these features out. One of the fan favorites, the fingerprint gesture, is back, and the scanner itself is fast and snappy as well, so no complaints there. The camera app too opened up pretty fast, so that is one more bug squashed. A lot of you also complained about the phone dialer being unresponsive or simply refusing to open. Well, looks like Xiaomi's fixed that as well. We can make a call, no problems. GeoVolte works great. No issues with cellular call quality or mobile data. Moving on, several other people had complained about issues with the capacitive navigation button themselves. Well, you can see me using them right here. It works fine. There's absolutely no issues. There were also a few people who complained of apps force closing on them, battery drain, as well as some random reboots. We haven't faced these issues, and if you still do, we'd recommend performing a factory data reset. Our phone even feels faster than ever with this new Oreo patch. Maybe we should do a speed test. Finally, we come to the big one. Does it support fast charging? Sadly, no. No, it doesn't. Basically, this is how fast charging works. To make it available, the brand needs to pay Qualcomm a licensing fee. Now, Xiaomi didn't do that, and the beta update probably activated it by mistake. So they've fixed it now, and given that they never marketed the feature for the A1, I highly doubt Xiaomi will pay the fees now and activate it, though the chip is capable of fast charging. So sorry guys, hopefully this is something we'd see with the A2, if there is an A2 after all. So what do you guys think about this update? Are you facing any major bugs on this version of the ROM? Tell us in the comments down below. The Mi A1 sports some stellar hardware for the price bracket and was the first device in this price range to sport Oreo. Now it's got competition from the Honor 9 Lite that also runs Oreo, and that comes in much cheaper than the A1. Which one of these would you spend your money on? Let us know by dropping a hashtag 9Lite or a hashtag A1 in the comment section. If you hate phones getting Oreo updates, well, you know what to do. But if you like the fact that Xiaomi listened to their users and rolled out a quick update patch, then share this video with everyone, smash that like button and get subscribed to the channel. Also click on that bell icon so that you get notified every time a video goes live here on the channel. This is Sundar from C4E Tech, leaving for the moment. You guys have a great day.